Here at the Aircraft Electronics Association convention in Las Vegas, inexpensive autopilots are a big deal. One of the most interesting is from TruTrak, and here's Andrew Barker to tell us all about it.
So today we want to talk about the Vision Autopilot here at TruTrak. As you may or may not know, the Vision was approved here in last July in 2017 for the 172 aircraft. Since then we added the 177 aircraft to that list. But then most recently here we also added the PA-28 and PA-32 product lines, all of them. Doesn't matter whether it's T-tail or standard tail, all of those aircraft are included on that STC now, and we are shipping those. We're working right now on adding some more aircraft to that. We've got the 180, 182, 185, and also we're working on Mooney is coming up next after that. So we also introduced here at AEA our interface with Aspen. We've been working with them for several months on this. We've got a heading bug, the output coming out of the Aspen that we can follow there in the Autopilot, as well as we're syncing the altimeter and the barometer. So when you set that barometer on the Aspen, the Autopilot automatically grabs that and uses that information on its internal stuff. We can also follow GPS steering, the pass-through from the Aspen from whatever panel mount navigator you might be interfacing with there as well. We have shipped somewhere around 200 autopilots since last July. We're also working on a new dealer network. We've added lots of dealers over the last 6 months, and we're working on kind of what we call a premier dealer installer system. We're going to work on some training courses and stuff like that to be able to get those install times down. That was one of our really big issues with a lot of the legacy autopilots, was they didn't concentrate on low-cost installations. They might have had hardware that was affordable, but install times were really higher than we thought they should be. So we've worked really hard on that. We're going to continue to work on that with the dealer network. The Autopilot is $5,000. That's the retail price. Of course, dealers do get a dealer discount with all that sort of stuff going on. But the Autopilot price of $5,000 includes pretty much everything you need. That includes that Aspen interface. That is a free upgrade for anyone who already has the Autopilot. You send the Autopilot control head back to us. It'll get that software. Once we release that, it'll get that software and there'll be no charge for that. That Aspen interface, again, is coming probably, we'll call it spring. We are just about finished with our portion of that software, and then it's got to go through the FAA approval process, which shouldn't take terribly long, honestly, for what the cycles and the changes that we've been making.